student, welcome once again. We are on the topic terminology of accounting. Today we are going to learn an important terminology of account, that is liability. Liability, the terminology which is most frequently used in our day-to-day business transactions. The meaning of liability is any financial obligation of business. Financial obligation, that is what, any amount which is due to be paid is known as liability. Amount payable by business for credit purchase of goods, asset or borrowed money. Any amount payable, whether you have purchased goods on credit, we have already seen the meaning of credit purchase. If we have purchased any kind of asset on credit, or we have borrowed any amount, any money from anywhere, the amount is payable, and that amount is known as what? Liability. Amount, obviously the amount is payable in future, and amount is known as, that payable amount is known as liability till it is not paid. The day you pay it off, it does not become your liability anymore. Now, what can be the example? Let us see. Means the person from whom we are purchasing on goods on credit is known as creditor. You have purchased goods on credit, amount is yet to be paid, amount will be paid in future, it is a current, it is a liability. Credit purchase of asset, it may be furniture, land and building, machinery, vehicle, any asset you are buying for business on credit will be your liability. Loan borrowed, any amount you have borrowed from bank, you have borrowed from financial institution, your friends, your relatives, anywhere you are borrowing money for the purpose of business, it is a liability. Moreover, capital of owner, we know owner and business are separate entity. Owner and business are separate entities. So anything, any investment made by the owner is recorded, and which is known as capital. We have seen in the previous videos, right? So capital of owner is also a liability of business towards owner. Capital of owner is a liability of business towards owner. Okay, so any financial obligation which is to be paid in future, which is due to be paid in future, is known as liability. Now let us try to understand the different types of liability, or we may call it classification of liability. Okay. Classification of liability, you can also call it types of liability. The classification can be done on different bases. The first way, on the basis of relation, and another on the basis of time. One by one we will see the meaning and we will try to understand it. On the basis of relation, two types of relation, internal relation and external relation. On those basis, liabilities are known as internal liability, external liability. What it is? Internal liability, capital of owner. Owner is considered to be the internal part of business. So the investment made by the owner into the business, which is known as capital, is the liability, but it is internal liability. Liability of what? Liability of business, internal liability. Rest of the parties involved in business are known as external. So liability towards them are known as external liability. Other than owner, any liability other than owner is the external liability. Say for example, liability of loan borrowed. You have borrowed from bank, from financial institution, from your friends, from your relatives. Amount is payable. It is a liability. Which liability it is? External, because that person, that friend, that relative, that bank is not your internal part. It is not an internal part of your business. It is external person. It is a third party. Same way, credit purchase of goods, assets. You are buying goods or asset on credit from a person who is known as third party to the business. So that is also an external liability. Outstanding expense. You are taking different services. You are taking help of different services. Electricity, salary. You are paying. You are taking advantage of the workers, their efficiency. You are paying salary. You have taken a premises on rent. You are paying rent. So if any such expense is outstanding to be paid, it is known as what? External liability, because they are external. So only one person is known as internal person, that is owner. So liability of owner, liability towards owner is the internal liability. Liability towards any other person than owner is the external liability. So on the basis of relation internal and external, let us move to the second basis, that is time. On the basis of time, liability is classified in two parts: current liability and non-current liability. Current liability and non-current liability. Current liability also known as short-term liabilities. The same way, non-current liability is known as long-term liability. By this name, this short and long, you can imagine. Now we will see the meaning and we will try to understand. Current liability is the liability which is payable within 1 year. Within 1 year, within 12 months. Generally, the examples are credit purchase of goods. We are buying goods, assets, and we are getting credit generally 1 week, 1 month, a fortnight, 2 months. Generally, we never get credit for more than 1 year. So, goods purchased on credit is what? Short-term liability. Why it is short-term liability? Because it is to be paid within 1 year. Other name is current liability. Same way, asset also, and expenses, outstanding expenses. Suppose rent is to be paid, salary is to be paid, wages, majuri we call it, no? Majuri, wages is yet to be paid. We have taken the service, we have taken the service of person or that worker, and amount is to be paid. So that is known as salary or wages. If it is not paid, it is a current liability or short-term liability. The other type is non-current liability or long-term liability or non-current liability. Here was the meaning, amount payable within 1 year. So here the meaning is payable during the period of more than 1 year. The amount which you have borrowed or which you have taken, which is your liability, which is payable for the period of more than 1 year. So generally, bank loans. We take loans from bank, and normally it is for more than 1 year. So it is considered as long-term liability. Debenture. The word is new for you, but it is a source of borrowed money for companies. So debenture, company issue debenture and borrow money from public. That is also a source of long term. Means that debentures are issued and money is borrowed against them for a period more than 1 year. So these are the different classification of liability. Any financial obligation of business is known as liability, which can be classified in two parts: on the basis of relation, on the basis of time. On the basis of relation, internal and external. Internal, which is the liability towards owner. External is the liability towards any third party. And on the basis of time, current liability, non-current liability. Other names are short-term liability, long-term liability. Short-term liability which is payable within 1 year, and long-term liability which is payable for the period more than 1 year. Thank you.